Hi folks, welcome to the Prairie Lily. This is Captain Mike, and I thought I'd tell you a few things that I get a lot of questions on. Right now, for example, we get a lot of questions because most everybody notices that the river is very low. The river levels here are all controlled at Gardner Dam, and the Water Security Agency and SAS Power are trying to refill Diefenbaker Lake. So they've cut the flows down considerably. In fact, it's as low as they can really cut it. And in their efforts to refill Diefenbaker Lake, that creates low water levels here. And there's two things that happen with the low water levels. Of course, the elevation of the water surface comes down, so you're that much closer to the bottom. But another thing that happens, and people don't actually think about this one, is that there's a lot of sediment suspended in water, and as it's flowing. So the level may go down, but the flow speed also reduces. So when the flow speed reduces, a lot of the suspended sediment falls out of the water and settles to the bottom. So you get a double whammy. You get the water level going down, and you get the river bottom coming up and forming sandbars because the river is dropping its sediment out. So there's kind of two sides to that story. But the channels are all still there. So all our captains know exactly where the sandbars are. And you may wonder, as you enjoy your dinner on board, why suddenly we're over near one side, and then we'll cut across the river, and suddenly we'll be close to the bank on the other side. And it's not that we don't know where we're going, it's because we know exactly where we're going. We're actually following the deep water and avoiding the shallow water and the sandbars. So it doesn't affect our cruising any. We still go up the same distances and the same length of cruise. Sometimes the hour-and-a-half cruise might be a few minutes shorter because I have to drive a little bit quicker to maintain that finer control on the channels. But other than that, we're operating normally. And we are all looking with bated breath to see the Diefenbaker Lake refill and the Gardner Dam open up again and let us have a lot more water. Hope to see you on board.